690. Talking about a half the weight of my GS. I don't know whether to stand up, sit down.
Well, this is the first time riding the KTM 690, so you just heard me talk about didn't know whether to stand up or sit down. So here we go. We are at RockFest here. So this is my last rally ride for the year. There's Gill from Moto Mission doing a little drone footage there as we start heading out here. This is Larry Yeager. He is absolutely one of the best Pan America. He's just a great rider to begin with, but he rides a Pan America, and he does a wonderful job on this bike. It's a treat to ride with him when I get the chance to do that. I had the chance to do that quite a bit in 2024. But yeah, so Ben Dragoo's taking us out. This is kind of what they call blue-black, kind of diamond. If you're a skier, you kind of understand that. And this is just a bunch of us headed out this way, and it is a lot of us on this day. This is a Friday afternoon. And the reason why I'm not on my GS is because I had cut a tire and was getting a flat tire, so I ended up doing this. Plus, my back was hurting. That's a whole different story. I had hurt that with my son, who's in the Air Force and moved from Germany to Spokane, Washington. He's in the Air Force. And it kind of wrenched my back, so I was not feeling great. And then on top of it, that's one of the reasons why this is my last day riding. And then my tire had an issue, so stuff up here, grabbed a photo, waited for everybody, and then we off again. But you can see how rocky it is. And they call it RockFest. It is definitely RockFest. Just bouncing and having fun all over the place. But obviously the big bikes, takes a little bit of a beating. You can see how slow this truck is going down there with his 4x4 or side by side. And the 690 was fun. It's just I didn't know how, I didn't know whether to stand up or sit down. I mean, I keep saying that throughout this whole thing, you'll see.
Wow. Whew.
Stopping for pictures. All right.
Did I?
One of my BMW fellow brethren roosted.
I have to tell you, I have no idea whether to stand up, sit down, whatever on this bike. I have no clue.
Oh, is that a rental?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I have no.
I didn't like it.
So far, it's just weird. I'm used to riding this.
Right. How is it? Does it absorb well?
Oh yeah, it does. I don't know whether to stand up, sit down, stand up, or sit down on this thing. That's what I'm doing.
Okay, Gill. You guys probably know who he is.
Hey, Brock, you do realize I've got it too on video, buddy. All right, everybody in YouTube land, the famous Gill just dumped his bike. You don't see that very often. Oh no, he did. We're saying he did. Again, on that small bike, I don't know whether to stand up, sit down. I look like Fozzie the Bear on that damn thing. Hey everybody, I want to take a quick minute here to say thank you to my partners and really helping me out in this journey that I've been on for the last 4 years. They've been friends of this channel, they've been supporters, and have really helped me in this journey. And I just wanted to take a quick second to say thank you and really appreciate the support. So anyways, back to the video. Okay, I have no idea what we're getting ourselves into. I'm actually, to be quite honest with you, glad I didn't bring my GS back here.
You can hear me talk about my GS. I was thinking I was just getting tired of beating it up. This, I have no idea. I was behind this person here and I should have went around, whatever. I started slowing down and lost momentum, couldn't get it, and bam.
I got it.
Oh yeah, back up and running. Now you hear me. Talk a little bit about my GS coming up here.
I will say, folks, I am glad that I did not bring my GS back here. I just get tired of, to be honest with you, of it getting tore up, and it's getting expensive to fix all the time, to be quite honest with you.
Yeah, if you haven't seen my videos on the cost of my GS's, now you know why I was making that statement.
Woohoo!
It is something else.
That was fun. All right, we're back at it.
Yeah, so far this is a great trail, great run. There's Brock doing a little bit of videoing himself. But 690 was fun, man. It's, you know, I can see why, you know, a lot of people say, you know, maybe you should have started off on that bike or whatever, and just smaller, more nimble to manhandle and kind of ride or whatever, but I don't know, I still love my GS's. I guess you just get comfortable with whatever you ride, but yeah, everybody was having a fun time here, and now we get to the area where all this stuff you see up to the left, all that rock climbing. I got a separate video that's going to come out that'll follow this video in a couple of days, that you'll see all that stuff. I filmed a lot, talk about rock climbing, but this is kind of a area where we all met up. This is kind of like the creek, little stream. Beautiful here. Now this is going to be pretty funny here. You guys will like this. Get some, mate. Get some.
That stupid hole.
And Brock's coming over to investigate, which is kind of funny.
What happens? Slick rock syndrome? There's a hole right at the top of that.
Oh yeah, there's a hole.
Right around that water hole right there in the middle. How slippery are the rocks over here?
Yeah, it was pretty slippery trying to get up there. Rear end hit that hole and it just kicked him. Brock's doing his investigative reporting. I love it. Now I'm getting some of the other folks that were straggling along, coming along. There was actually two groups. One group did a little bit easier section, then came and met us over here. And I don't know how much you would say was easier, but so we all kind of met up. Nice. as I said, you see the one person up there on the left coming down, but I got more video of everybody. So now we're going to head back to camp.
All right.
So this is all of us heading out. Again, just great terrain to ride in. And if you've watched my videos obviously for a while, my biggest thing is I just need to kind of just be a little bit more aggressive with the throttle and kind of get on it. I kind of baby it too much, just like that guy went right on around me. I probably should be doing a little bit more of that, especially on this type of a bike. Going around the big guys.
Hey Ben, are you just going all the way straight down this road?
Yeah. You want to go get some footage?
Yeah, just of everybody going by.
Yeah, go for it.
All right, give me a second.
So I take off. This is all bouncing down in here. Heck, almost lost and went in there, and I'm trying to figure out where am I going to film these guys. I don't know which way we go, so I didn't want to go down this way, so I turned around and just wanted to get them all coming down. You can see how many bikes are going to come, and like I said, it was just a fun ride, and getting a chance to show everybody in all their bikes, and just them coming down like this like little rock ledges, especially out here on the right. And the center's not so bad. On the right was really like, you know, steps coming down, but good stuff here with Ben leading the group. But you can see how many bikes we had in this whole ride. It was a great day, just beautiful day.
The whole
I think
crew
it
coming
was
down through here.
55, 60 degrees, something like that. It warmed up a little bit here in Oklahoma. But you can see some of the guys on the right there doing the steps coming on down. Get the big bikes coming down. That's fun stuff. Trail side by side there. A couple of ladies from Grit Moto. One of them was in a boot, but they were being our assistants. Oh, they're a little wheelie. All right, having fun. And now I get ready. I'm like, I'm going to pass, and then I like, whoa, watch out. And then I had to slow down because, again, this is probably where I should have just kept on going, but then I came off of it, and then I struggled trying to get through here because, like, if anything, you got to keep your momentum going, and I should have just shot to the left and went on up and around, but I didn't. I was being courteous, being a little bit of the sweep, making sure everybody was okay. But the 690 is great. I mean, it, you know, tractors along and all that good stuff. Stay back and kind of just take it all in. My back was hurting pretty good. See a couple people dump their bikes and stuff. Went through that. Pretty rocky, and you can see all the cutouts. You get bouncing through there, and you don't keep your momentum going, which is always an issue. You can kick the bike over and all kinds of stuff. But pretty good terrain through here. A couple of guys going back trying to help.
Hey Ben, that was kind of cool, you guys all coming down that staircase thing, you know. So I got a good photo of all of it, yeah. Is there anything?
I know you need a lot of the content, obviously.
It's all good.
Throw some of that up on the website.
Yeah. Is there anything else between here and there?
So, you know those real big, that right at the beginning,
yeah,
down and up. So a little ways beyond that, there's one rock that is like perfect to launch off of.
Right.
It's a simple lock. I'll kind of, we'll stop before those big ruts.
All right, let me know so I can get up there and figure it out.
I've always wanted a down shot of the bikes
Yeah, I could do that. Yep, I'll do it all.
Well, I thought I would do it all, and I missed the wrong rock or whatever, but I probably should have been back about 4 feet. I didn't catch them coming up, lifting up off of there, but oh well. Look at all the crew coming up through here. Great stuff. Gonna finish out our ride for the day on Friday. Not too many people being aggressive, you know, just kind of taking their time riding through there, but it was kind of a long day. We had the first half of the day was a lot, and then obviously you see the terrain we were going through, and so maybe some guys were just taking it easy because it was the tail end of the day, but it was a great ride. The last few coming through here. I guess I wasn't the only one sitting down on my 690. Everybody else looked like they were sitting down too, coming up through here. Couple guys getting at it. There we go. Very nice. Then we got the last, and then we got the side-by-side coming up. And then our last rider. Oh, someone dumped it. Alrighty. Here they go. They got it. My last rally ride for 2024. Fun stuff.
You got it? You need help?